we're playing a very crucial role, because all our products today, not only do they meet the Indian safety regulations, but the product that you see here, which is the Bolt, it actually exceeds it, both in terms of active safety as well as passive safety. It's got a lot of stuff hidden inside the bonnet and the carriage to take care of passenger and the driver safety as well. The other thing that we are working very closely on is the pedestrian safety. So what happens when you collide with a pedestrian? Does that safety also take care of? Yes. So the way we design the exteriors, the bumpers, the no sharp edges, etc., make sure that we play our part in that as well. Apart from that, we are also doing a lot of training of drivers on safety. We are partnering with cab providers, Ola, Uber, and many others to train drivers on safety. So we're doing a lot of work on safety, and we're extremely proud to be here working with all of them and making sure that the roads are safer to be in. Thank you so much, and I wish all of us the very best.
Thank you, Mr. Amit. I'll now request Mr. Arvind Singatia, Vice President for Corporate Affairs, Ola Cabs, to share a few words with us.
Thank you so much, and it's a privileged moment for me to sitting with the senior dignitaries from government and corporate friends. Ola Cabs was started by few young chaps from IIT Mumbai 4 years back. We now, if I talk about today, we are driving more than 3 lakh people across the country every day in our cabs. All the more, it's a huge responsibility on our heads now that, driving 3 lakh people across the country, we should be much more concerned about their safety. Ola Cabs, for us, safety is the topmost priority for us. We prefer that, whenever people are not in a situation, typically when, we have tied up with pubs, late night clubs where people, when not able to drive their personal car, we definitely want them to take a car driven by a professional driver, and there we come in picture. We have a mobile application which is easily available on your mobile phone, helping you to reach on time safely. To be a part of this initiative, Ola Cabs would like to ensure that we are dedicated to safety and security of the passengers on road, and more than 2 lakh drivers are associated with us who are committed drivers, professionally trained. We are doing training with Tata Motors. We are doing training with Maruti to help our drivers learn the professional driving skills. And it's a matter of great privilege to be a part of this initiative. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arvind. I now request Mr. Sunil Shetty to please share a few words with us.
A very, very good evening. I think a lot has been said already. So all I can say is it's an honor and an absolute privilege to be a part of this initiative, because, a campaign begins with a good team, but generally not necessarily ends with great results. But I think the team that is here on the dais is a team that should see this initiative successfully through. People who matter, people who want to make that difference. And of course, Mr. Milind said a lot. I've interacted with him before, and I know he's a man that keeps his words. When he started saying about, when he started mentioning that big cars would also be towed, it set a fear in my heart, because I know he's going to do what he says. So, sir, I will follow the rules. I try to follow the rules most of the time. Rather, definitely do follow the rules. But I think this initiative is already working, because all along when we drove, we didn't get traffic coming here. So I believe that the initiative has already started working and the campaign is already moving. Like Mr. Karkera said, the financial health of a city or a nation depends a lot on its roads and its safety. So I think, all of us being involved, especially the media's hand, is extremely important to get the message through. Street smart we are, but when it comes to breaking rules and doing the wrong things, rather, I think we should channelize this energy in the right way, believe in the initiative, follow the initiative, and street safe we need to be. But I think the apps that are being introduced, the no honking zones that are being set up. All this will make a big difference for us to, make Mumbai a safer place and a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll now request Ms. Mandira Bedi to please share a few words with us.
Thank you so much for making me the absolute last. But there is still something left to be said. I have to say I'm very, very impressed with this initiative from the Mumbai Traffic Police and Top Gear. Street smart, street safe. There are actually many aspects to it, and I think this first one of decongesting Mumbai, encouraging carpooling. When I was in school, all through my schooling years, it was 4 kids and me, and we all traveled together to school, and that just means 4 less cars on the road. That apart, there's traffic angels where volunteers come forward and make sure there are no jaywalkers. The pedestrians are not just protected, but are also made responsible. Lots of lovely aspects, and I think the one that is the most interesting is and especially for a woman, is the launch of the mobile app. All of us have been affected badly by traffic often in the city, so there is, of course, Google Maps that shows you the kind of traffic there is in various parts of the city. You get live Twitter feeds as well. But the best thing about that app is a woman can send an emergency alert to 3 of her contacts in case of an emergency, along with the last location that has been recorded by that app. So I think that is very, very useful for women. And there is also going to be a women's safety drive that is going to be flagged off on 8th of July, which I'm going to be a part of. And that will be spreading awareness for this very app. The app is also called Street Smart, Street Safe. And I think they've done very well to choose a very responsible and concerned citizen like Mr. Sunil Shetty as brand ambassador. So I think it's an amazing initiative, and I'm very happy to be here today. And I think the next 3 weeks, there's going to be a lot of awareness and a lot of wonderful initiatives being spread through this campaign. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Girish, editor, Top Gear India, to share a few words with us.
Thank you. So the good news is I am the last one. Thank you everyone for being here. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who's here on the dais. These are very busy people, and full marks to my team for managing to get all of them here at one time.
For the beautiful, the gorgeous, the sexy host of Splitsvilla Season 8, here we have Sunny Leone!
Woo! Talia! Boys, move on!